Hey YouTube, Sam Frank here. Today, opening up hobby box number 11 out of my case of Star Wars Black and White. And I got this case from Blowout Cards. Be sure and check out the other boxes that I opened. Some pretty interesting cards coming out of here. Just now pretty much just looking for an auto that I don't have. And that'll be... I mean, it's already been a great case, but that's my hope, is to get an auto that I don't have in these last couple boxes. I always like to get sketch cards too, but I kind of almost want to get an auto of one of these guys I don't have yet, because I probably won't be buying much more of Black and White, because I'll start getting lots of duplicates. Luke Skywalker. There's a numbered 84 out of 99. Princess Leia and Tarkin. I think I'm actually out of sleeves. Okay, I'll sleeve up anything else I get after the C-3PO and a bunch of wires. R2. Princess Leia. So that's a sepia. There's an iconic character, Jawa. Those are iconic characters. That was a pretty cool idea that George Lucas had, those Jawas. Definitely remember them. Obi-Wan. Luke. Princess Leia. That's a blue parallel. And behind the scenes. Han Solo. That's in the trash compactor. Obi-Wan. Sepia. There's Luke. Darth Vader after striking down Obi-Wan. And that is an out of 25. That's a nice Luke Skywalker. That's a purple parallel. I will sleeve that as soon as I'm done with this video. Another C-3PO. Sepia. Alright, now last pack. This one has a hit. And it's either an auto or sketch. There's a Porkins. And then we got that card. And let's see who the auto is. Ooh, cool. Anthony Forrest as a Sand Trooper. I did not have that one. Bad ding on that corner. Too bad. That is not numbered, but that is sweet. I did not have a Sand Trooper auto. That is cool. And a couple nice numbered cards. So another nice box. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.